Hello, my peeps. Should take things slow. I'll be honest. Recently, this past like week or two has been very difficult for me outside the screens. So I've been coming to the screens, taking like low grade setups, bad trades, and typically I don't trade when I go through these things or these situations. But uh, I don't want to slack on new name. I want to keep growing new names. So, like I've just been showing up regardless. So hopefully I get better at streaming and trading at the same time and like knowing what to prioritize over what. It's been a bit difficult. Because trading on live is just completely different than if I were just trading by myself. I feel like I tend to make more mistakes since I am live. Okay, so it's 3 o'clock. It's right here. Alright. Things will get better. I just need to put myself in a better environment where I'm at now. And some time, things will change. Okay, let's make this green. Okay, this is 1 minute. Let me go to the 5 second. Just doing that wrong. No, that makes no sense. Okay. I'm almost done here. Let's make this red. Okay. I think I'm all situated now. Let's just make sure I'm trading the count. Yes, I am. Okay, and then let's make this bigger. I don't know what it is. Sorry, my ex-wife is texting me about the divorce and stuff. It's pretty cool. She's being cordial. I just prefer to deal with adults in my life. It's really nice when it happens. Okay. Let's see. Okay. This zone is clearly important. I'm gonna do this. Yeah, she's been an adult. It's nice. So I'm just looking for these higher time frame zones right now. Looks like what's gonna hold and what's not gonna hold here. So it's like so clear to me that this zone is pretty pointless, but this zone is important. Okay. Mm. I just sit and wait. Okay. Time my ass out. Okay. If you have any questions at all, please ask. Just really doing nothing right now. Still nothing. We have a 15-minute zone that we're in right here. This big giant red zone. We filled it. We're coming down. Missed my trade today in London section. I wonder what happened. Did it fly by or you missed it? Or you had your eye on it and then you weren't able to catch it in time? If it's possible, if you can put alerts on. Sorry, I'm doing a few things here. Let me close this up. Let me see if there is alerts. I'm pretty confident there is. Let's find out together. Wow, wow. So you don't miss any more plays anymore. Alerts. Oh, there it is. Yeah, you can put alert on. If you don't already are not already doing this, Peter, you can put alert on so you don't miss plays. Was so too slow. Oh, fair enough, yeah. London can be pretty brutal. I hope you're still backtesting. Even if I'm not looking at them, you're just still getting it done. Okay. I'm gonna see if you've submitted anything just in case I missed it. You didn't. Oops. Let's close this. So this 15-minute zone is getting filled out right now as we speak. I didn't want to mark it out, but there's so much importance. We've been respecting it. I just had to. I really did not want to because it covers the entire session. So I just put on the left side right here. We just without this 15-minute zone. Today might just be a gruesome day. We've just been chopping and ranging, even on the higher time frame. If this was cleaner right here, I would have taken this. But it's sloppy. Pretty sure it'll hold. Let's mark it out. I just don't know what's going to happen since we're ranging so hard right now. Let's see if there's any news. I haven't checked. $10, $15, $30. Oh, dude, what's up with all these feds talking? All right, there is a lot of going on today. Typically, like I've been saying, when this happens, we just chop all day. Let me just make some lines just in case. So one is at 10:15. Okay, this is predictable. Just not sure if we'll continue to go down though. Oh, I see something bullish forming. If we bust above, I can be interested in taking it. It's even if we form it out. It's so tiny too, which sucks. Let's get the 1 minute ready for me. So the 15-minute zone already got mitigated. Yippee, yippee. We're bouncing below. So there's clearly something bigger here. It didn't break, so I'm not gonna take it. I just needed that 1 minute body close. Oh, it delivered. That's cool. I just needed a 1 minute body close above the zone to confirm bullish. Because I'm not sure what's going on right now. We're just chopping away in this giant 15-minute zone. I feel like there should be a bigger zone here that's... Yeah, this makes more sense. Okay. Yeah, that makes a lot more sense. Hi there, hope you're doing well. Some good motivation. I love seeing you. Sorry. Um, I think recently I've been performing pretty ass. I typically take a step back when I go through these life situations that I'm going through now, and I collect myself, and then I come back to the screens. But since I am live streaming, it's like I feel more forced to show up, even when I don't want to trade on those days. This whole new name thing is just so new. It's like a whole new journey. So like it's new habits and like new patterns that I just need to recognize and be aware of and work on. And I said it before, I really didn't want new name to affect my trading, but I feel like all new name has done is affect my trading. Uh, but it's just the truth is I'm just starting a new journey with new name, so I have to just keep showing up, keep doing what I'm doing, and I'll get better and better. Because I'm still journaling, I'm still going over my weekly wrap ups. Like I'm still very aware of what's going on, what I'm doing. Just not performing at the peak that I could be performing, which is unfortunate. But at the end of the day, it just comes down to following my rules and being patient. And it's hard to do that sometimes when my life is chaotic. Yeah, sometimes you need to take a step back just to go 3 steps forward. I agree 1,000%. That's like what I've been working on and systemizing my routine and my habits and like building and fixing relationships around me. So we can all agree that we're switching to bullish right now. Hit the screen. See what happens. You see that 1 minute body close above this red zone. One minute body close about to happen. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Get that 1 minute body close above this red zone. Okay, I can now say we're bullish. This one got wicked out, I think, actually. Yeah, that one did get wicked out. Oops. Let's connect this. Do I see anything on the 15-minute? Oh, I see something telling us that we're bearish. I don't know how true it is. I'm sorry, I don't really have much to say. Too distracted on my phone. I typically don't like to be on my phone. I don't think we're going to get any action today due to the news. On these days, we just typically move sideways. There's a 15-minute zone I want to mark out. I just don't know if it's important or not. It's right here. I'm just going to leave it like this and see what we do. See if I can find. Yeah. Let's see what we do. Oh, we have that zone above too. Jeez, bro, it's just such a mess right now. Okay, yeah. Just wait. I kind of want to take this, but I do not like this right here at all. I'm just going to pass on it. And I can't even gauge direction clearly what's going on right now. So I'm just going to have to wait for more data to be formed for me to make a decision. Sorry. Here, let me see. Boring day. Lots of indication. Okay. Let's see if we fill this 15-minute zone right here. There's still nothing at all. Everything's just like ugly and yeah, like a mess. I'm listening to classical music, sorry. It's putting me in a better mood. I generally don't think we're gonna find anything today. Hopefully I'm not complaining or being negative in any way. Just typically these days, we never do find anything. I have the purple lines for news, so when we cross these lines, we might get a spike. The biggest news is at maybe 11 o'clock. Let's see. I don't know how we're going to react to these. Is there something here? Maybe. Kind of like it actually. It's so minuscule though. Let's see where 50% is at. Let's make this my main. Okay. Change this back. It's very funny how we're just making these little drawings on the screen and gambling. Okay, so this is 40%. I don't want to be in the way when we dump on this zone, so I'm just going to pass on this. But I really want to take something. Let's see if we break through this yellow area. Yeah, I think we're going to reject here. I'm like angsty, but so there's a small 15-minute zone. Oh, did I do it wrong? I did do it wrong. There it goes. Ah, I have to adjust it. Oh, this still makes sense. Yeah, I can't. This just would not make any sense for me to take this play. Let's make this green. Let's see if we dump from here. If we do dump, I'll look for a bearish play. This might hold just because there's resistance and there's a zone. Let's make it green. I'm not going to trade it though because I don't want to be in the way. Hey Noah, today is a lot of like news coming out, and typically when we get the news like this, we don't do nothing. We just move sideways. So boring day, lots of indication that we're going to stay moving sideways. That's it. That's all we're doing here. Just watching paint dry. Been playing on my phone. If you have any questions at all, you don't understand what I'm doing, I'd love to tell y'all. There is a 15-minute zone that we're in as we speak. Here's the high. Here's the swing low. Price came out, and then it's coming back in at 50%. I'm assuming we're going to dump from here. We'll see. This 15-minute zone is really weak, and we might not even respect it, but it got formed nicely. It looks good on the 1 minute, so I'm expecting it to fill out. I'm just going to set up my hands here. We have so much resistance above also. So I don't have any confidence in us continuing to go up. Hello, my peeps. Screw someone we move sideways. It like makes my like neck scratch and I go crazy. So I really like this play and I really want it, but I have too much indication that it is counter terrain right now, so it does not make sense for me to gamble. But I really want to take it, just because the resistance line, we're tapping it, we're respecting it. The sweep isn't like really proper either. We're not really sweeping anything. Let me go get a water. Oh. Let me go look for a water elsewhere. I think it's in my son's room. I didn't realize we ran out of water bottles. Y'all can still hear me. Y'all coming with me? I got a water bottle now. It was in his room. So we're just chopping this 15-minute zone. We're also chopping a 5-second zone that's been holding. I really want this. I just know I shouldn't. Oh, 40% got filled. It got mitigated. Let's see if we run it now and start coming down. Let's extend this out just in case. Really just watching paint dry here. There's like really nothing. Oh, I see something. Let's see if it forms out. It just might. Here it is. We would need to break and then tap and then all the good stuff. Mm. Okay, looks like it's trying to tap it. I like it. We're setting a break of structure. No break of structure at all. It failed 40%. Hit take profit. That's pretty cool. This is what I'm doing in my head. I'm just like making these zones constantly in my head. Then I see it like forming. So the way this got formed, I knew that this was going to be a significant zone. So then I saw this tap and I was like, oh, I'm interested in it. Like I want to break a structure, but it just failed 50% and hit take profit. This pattern always happens. It just happens in the wrong ways. They didn't happen the perfect way for me. So I'm just going to be patient and look for a better setup. But as I've been saying, I'm not expecting to find a play today, just given because we're moving sideways. We typically do move sideways when we have all this Fed news and whatnot. Okay. Okay, well, I held. I see something forming. Let's see if it fills out. Never mind. It did not fill out. Still nothing. Wow, wow. Sorry, I had like a voice message I wanted to listen to, and then I want to keep it on my phone. So just got over with right now. I'm interested in the zone. I want us to break structure. We haven't really done that yet. Let me see where standard deviation is at. We haven't reached standard deviation yet. And that needs to be swiped. So this gets swept. I'll be interested in taking this, but that's even if we come back to fill it. Let's look at. So we mitigated the 15-minute zone. We're now coming down. We already hit 12% on the 15-minute zone. So the zone's already been mitigated. Okay, let's keep looking here. All right, yeah, this play makes sense. I just need us to break more, which sucks. I don't think it will. Yeah, I don't think it will. Hopefully. Just have it ready, and then if I can't take it, then I can't take it. It sucks. I don't want to do 250. Yeah, it broke. It reached standard deviation. Okay, so I'm going to have to do something else. Cross. Okay. See if we get filled here. Order submitted. It's a pretty nice play. It sucks. I'm not even come back at all. Oh, there was this. Did it get ran? Yeah, it did get ran. Let's see. Maybe we'll get failed. Maybe my stop loss gets smacked. Let's see. Yeah. Is there anything I'm missing here? No. Oh, what's this? Yee, that's scary. Let's see here. Oh, it's equal highs, no sweep. Okay, yeah. So it can be irrelevant. I'll just leave it just in case. Don't want to be ignorant. I more likely will go for higher RR on this play. Where's the EMA at? Even if we get failed though too. If we don't get filled by 11, I'll hop off. I don't want to wait for this. But this was, I think it's going to get touched right now. What the heck? One tap, two tap, three tap. So if he breaks the eternal swing, I have to move on. Did it touch 40%? Let's make this more tight. Oh shit. That failed me. I'm not confident in this. I might just go for the 1-to-1. I don't like how we're moving up so strong. Yeah, I'll just do the 1-to-1. There's so much strength. Whenever our stop loss gets hit, our stop loss gets hit. We just document it and we move on. nice. How much should we make? Okay. And that's it. Simple play. I wanted to go for the Eternal Swing here, but I decided not to. I did not like how the volume was going up, so I decided to take it off. And this zone being on top of this is just scaring me. Even though this is low quality and pretty ass, it's just scaring me just because how clean this tap was. Alright, well I think it's time to hop off now. I'm surprised we found something. Let's see where we're at right now. Okay. Just doing what we do. Make sure everything is flattened. Just make sure the copier. Okay. Alright. Thank y'all so much for joining me. I know it was really boring. There wasn't much to do at all. I'm surprised we found a play. The session has been pretty gruesome. We've been moving sideways the entire time. There really wasn't too much to do, but we were able to predict direction, which is the big key takeaway here. We were able to gauge this 15-minute zone on the top right. We were able to see that it was forming, getting that swing high and that swing low. Then my thesis was that we're going to come in, fill 40% and come down. We did that just exactly. And while we were coming down, I looked for a bearish play and took a bearish play. Bada bing, bada boom. Alrighty. Super textbook, just following the rules, doing what I do. And yeah. If you want to master the strategy and be really, really good at doing this, hop into the mentorship. I got a course and whatnot. I got a thing where you submit your backtest videos and I make you master the strategy first before I put you on prop. I think the current issue I have with the mentees is that they stop backtesting after they start prop. But that causes frustration, causes you to fail, and they know that. So if you're in that position right now, if you are in the mentorship and you stop backtesting and you're trading prop, take a step back, do a few backtests, make sure you know what you're doing, and then go back to the prop. And even if you're not in the mentorship, just make sure you're backtesting in general and sticking to your one model. Your losses should be due to probability, not emotions. I think that is it. I love y'all. Thank y'all for joining. Thank you, Some Good Motivation. Thank you, Peter. And thank you, Noah, for saying hi and what's up. I think that's it. And before I sign off, I just want to say thank you, Peter, for showing up. I appreciate it. I know you succeed because you're trying to get educated. You're trying to be a master of the strategy, which is awesome. Okay, hopefully I gave y'all some insight. Hopefully y'all learned. And here, I have this terrible habit of not documenting my plays. Let me just do it real quick. Done. It's like I only document my losses, but I need to document my wins too. Because it's just a game of probabilities. What I need to write down. 15-minute zone, got made intraday. Started looking. 15-minute zone got made intraday, started looking. For bearish shots. Okay. Thank y'all so much for sitting with me. I love how y'all can just be quiet with me. But I also like it when y'all talk, so I have something to do. But alright, I'm gonna hop off now. Thank y'all so much. If you want to update on the accounts, I'm like 1/3 to passing another Traderfly account. Those Bullnox accounts I've been working on, I've been having so many issues with. I'm still need to make like 3K on the Bullnox accounts. I've had nothing but problems with them. It's because it's a Rithmic connection. I should have just stayed with only CQG connections. Lesson learned. Alright, LT2IL. I love y'all once again. Thank y'all so much.